Hey pilots, welcome back to Sporties and another one of our product pirate videos. I'm Russell and today we're going to be talking about two different products, the Cockpit Hook and the Cockpit Cooling Fan. These both use the underutilized headset rest of your aircraft. The Cockpit Hook comes in two separate pieces. You got your hook and arm and then your base. You click them together and then you're going to pinch and slide it between your headset posts. Now you're ready to organize your aircraft with a headset bag, a headset, or even an oxygen carrying case. What's great about the headset hook, it can go on the front or the back side of your headrest. We're coming up on those warm flying months, and sometimes it gets unbearable here in the cockpit. That's why we have the Cockpit Cooling Fan. The Cockpit Cooling Fan comes with the fan itself and a USB-C charging cable. To install the cooling fan, we have these Velcro straps that will go around your headrest post. The Cockpit Cooling Fan does need an alternate source of power. Our favorite way to supply power to this unit is with our favorite backup battery. Once your Cockpit Cooling Fan is powered, you're ready to go. Simply push the button on the sides for three different power modes. You have high, medium, and low. What's great about this Cockpit Cooling Fan is just like the Cockpit Hook. You can put it on the front or the back side of your headrest. Pilot, passenger, and even the people in the back will be able to benefit from its capabilities. You can find these and other cool little gadgets at sporties.com.